Florida has become one of the fastest-growing states in America. But there's a problem. Home prices in many Florida cities have skyrocketed in the last few years, making it harder for families, retirees, and first-time buyers to find truly affordable places to live. But here's something most people don't realize. There are still several cities in Florida where you can buy a home for far less than the state average, enjoy a comfortable lifestyle, and still have access to jobs, healthcare, and beautiful surroundings. In this video, we'll reveal 10 Florida cities where affordability still exists, and some of them might surprise you. Number 10. Gainesville. Gainesville is one of the most consistently affordable cities in Central Florida. Anchored by the University of Florida, the city maintains a steady housing market supported by education, healthcare, and research industries. Home prices and rental rates remain lower than most coastal Florida cities. The presence of a large student population keeps rental demand stable, which benefits property investors while still offering reasonably priced apartments for residents. Utilities and general living expenses are manageable compared to state averages. Gainesville also offers strong healthcare infrastructure and a walkable mid-sized city environment. While high-paying corporate jobs are limited outside education and healthcare, the cost-to-income ratio remains favorable for many households. For students, healthcare workers, and remote professionals seeking lower housing costs with urban amenities, Gainesville offers reliable affordability. Number 9. Palm Bay. Palm Bay, located along Florida's Space Coast, has become increasingly popular for families seeking affordable housing near the coast. Compared to South Florida cities like Miami or Fort Lauderdale, Palm Bay's home prices are significantly lower. The city offers larger lots, suburban-style developments, and relatively low property tax burdens. Many residents work in nearby Melbourne, where aerospace, defense, and technology industries provide employment opportunities. Palm Bay's cost of living remains below the Florida average, particularly in housing. While entertainment and nightlife options are more limited than in major metros, residents benefit from quieter neighborhoods, beach access within driving distance, and overall financial breathing room. For families looking for coastal proximity without premium pricing, Palm Bay delivers strong value. Number 8. Ocala. Ocala is one of the most affordable inland cities in Florida and consistently ranks among the lowest median home price markets in the state. Known for its equestrian industry and open green spaces, Ocala offers spacious properties at prices that are often unattainable in coastal regions. The overall cost of living is below both state and national averages. Property taxes are moderate, and utility costs are manageable. Many retirees and budget-conscious buyers relocate to Ocala for the ability to purchase single-family homes at significantly lower price points. The job market is centered around healthcare, logistics, agriculture, and equestrian services. While wages may not match larger metro areas, housing affordability keeps monthly expenses reasonable. For buyers prioritizing low purchase prices and quiet residential environments, Ocala remains one of Florida's strongest affordability options. Number 7. Lakeland. Lakeland sits strategically between Tampa and Orlando, offering a central Florida location without the housing costs of either major metro. This positioning allows residents to access larger job markets while living in a more affordable city. Median home prices in Lakeland are noticeably lower than in Tampa or Orlando, and rental costs are also more manageable. The city has invested in downtown revitalization, lakefront development, and community infrastructure, improving both livability and long-term appeal. Employment opportunities are growing in distribution, logistics, healthcare, and retail sectors. Because Lakeland is located along major transportation corridors, it has become attractive for businesses and commuters alike. For individuals who want affordability with access to larger metro economies, Lakeland offers a practical and balanced choice. Number 6. Pensacola. Pensacola, located in the Florida Panhandle, provides coastal living at a lower price point than South Florida beach cities. Housing costs remain below the Florida average, and both rent and homeownership expenses are manageable compared to statewide coastal markets. The city's economy is supported by military installations, tourism, healthcare, and port activity. These industries provide consistent employment without driving housing prices to extreme levels. Pensacola offers access to beautiful Gulf Coast beaches, historic downtown areas, and a slower pace of life. While average wages may be lower than in larger metro regions, the overall cost-to-income balance remains favorable. For those seeking affordable coastal living without the high costs of Miami or Naples, Pensacola stands out as one of Florida's best value beach cities. Number 5. Tallahassee. Tallahassee, Florida's capital city, offers a rare combination of government employment stability and relatively affordable housing. Compared to major Florida metros, both median home prices and average rents remain moderate. Because Tallahassee hosts state government offices, Florida State University, and Florida A&M University, the job market is supported by public sector roles, education, and healthcare. This creates economic stability even during broader market slowdowns. Neighborhoods vary from student-focused rental zones to quiet suburban communities ideal for families. Property taxes are reasonable, and many homes are larger than what buyers would find at similar price points in South Florida. While Tallahassee lacks major coastal access and big city nightlife, its steady economy and manageable housing costs make it one of the most financially stable, affordable cities in Florida. Number 4. Port St. Lucie. Port St. Lucie has experienced rapid growth due to its relatively affordable housing compared to Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Located along Florida's Treasure Coast, it offers suburban-style neighborhoods with larger homes and quieter streets. Home prices are lower than in much of South Florida, while still offering proximity to beaches and major highways. The city appeals strongly to retirees and families seeking calm residential environments without paying premium coastal metro prices. Healthcare, retail, and service industries support the local economy, and many residents commute to nearby cities for additional employment opportunities. For households looking for South Florida proximity at a more affordable price point, Port St. Lucie provides strong overall value. Number 3. Cape Coral. Cape Coral is known for its extensive canal system and waterfront properties, yet it remains more affordable than many comparable coastal cities in Florida. Median home prices are moderate considering the amount of waterfront housing available. The city has grown steadily as families and retirees relocate from higher-cost regions. Property taxes are manageable, and new construction developments have expanded housing inventory, helping maintain relative affordability. Cape Coral's economy is supported by healthcare, construction, retail, and tourism. While wages are not as high as in Miami or Tampa, housing affordability balances monthly expenses for many residents. For those seeking waterfront lifestyle at a mid-range price rather than luxury coastal pricing, Cape Coral stands out as a strong value option. Number 2. Deltona. Deltona is one of the most affordable cities in Central Florida, offering lower home prices than nearby Orlando while still providing access to major job markets. The city consists primarily of residential neighborhoods, making it attractive for families seeking stability and quiet surroundings. Property taxes and housing costs are significantly lower than Orlando's core metro areas. Many residents commute to Orlando or Daytona Beach for work, benefiting from lower monthly housing expenses while maintaining access to employment opportunities. Deltona may not offer major entertainment districts or nightlife, but its affordability and central location make it one of the most practical housing markets in the state. Number 1. Sebring. Sebring takes the top spot as one of the most affordable cities in Florida. Located inland in Highlands County, Sebring consistently ranks among the lowest median home price markets in the state. Housing costs are significantly below Florida averages, and property taxes remain modest. The city attracts retirees, first-time buyers, and individuals seeking minimal housing expenses. Sebring offers a slower pace of life, small-town community feel, and access to lakes and outdoor recreation. Healthcare services and local businesses support the economy, though job opportunities are more limited compared to larger metros. While Sebring does not provide the amenities of major Florida cities, its extremely low housing costs and manageable overall expenses make it one of the most financially accessible places to live in the state. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 most affordable cities to live in Florida. From inland value markets like Sebring and Ocala to coastal options like Pensacola and Cape Coral, Florida still offers cities where affordability and livability go hand in hand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which Florida topic you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.